It's another day here in Billings, Montana that we don't have our van back yet. 45 days ago when we were making our way over to Yellowstone, we hit a deer on the highway and our van has been immobilized since. Our van was towed to a body shop called Auto Auctions of Montana. They were the only one in town who were able to have the height clearance to work on our Sprinter van. For the first 3 weeks, our van was sitting there waiting for parts to arrive. The good thing about this incident is that while we were waiting for the parts, we were lucky to get shore power to our van, and the van was parked in their truck parking lot, which we had access to. We were able to stay in the van the whole first 3 weeks without needing a hotel or Airbnb, which was a significant cost saving. When the parts arrived 3 weeks later, we had to stay somewhere else because they started to work on the van. So we decided to book an Airbnb for the week because that's how long they told us initially to get the van ready and fully repaired. However, they took a little bit longer and they extended that repair for another half a week. That was problematic for us because we weren't able to extend the stay of our Airbnb any further because we only booked it for 5 days, assuming that it would be done in a week. But it took longer, so we had to switch over to a new Airbnb. Then another issue arrived when they were completely done with it and they were testing the van. They realized that the van wasn't going over 5 miles per hour. I think it's called limp mode for whatever reason. There was some wiring damage or whatnot, and they had to send it over to the Mercedes dealership for them to check out the mechanicals of it. And then we have to book yet another Airbnb for hopefully the last time. Mercedes told us they would get the part in over the weekend and then they'll work on it on Monday. And yesterday was Monday. We're staying here till Wednesday. And we still haven't gotten our van back yet. They discovered another issue yesterday, broken elbow, whatnot, and they're supposed to get the part in today. So if they do, they should be able to give the van back to us this afternoon. We'll see if that happens. If not, we will have to figure out another accommodation or if we can extend our current stay in this Airbnb in downtown Billings. Let's hope that's not the case and we get the phone call with the good news, and we'll be able to check out here as planned tomorrow. Everyone is up, so we're gonna get breakfast started. We're gonna cook some past stickers for Spencer today. Hey! Water, right? Okay, I help you. Here you go. Fish 喺邊啊? Where's fish? Fish! Yeah, where's the fish? Fish 係咪喺 F 度? Where's the F? Fish! 喺呢度係咪? Is it this one? What's under C? Num num num, Cookie Monster! Right, Cookie Monster, that's right. Yeah, we're making some breakfast right now. Your hot sticker ready? Spencer's not feeling too well today. He has a little bit of a fever. And he's been coughing since 2 days ago, so we think we're gonna just stay in today, let him relax a little bit. It's 11:30 now, and I've been trying to call Mercedes to see if they got the part in. I haven't been able to reach Mercedes yet. Hopefully they did get it in, but I don't know at this time. So let's hope that part comes in or came in. We're gonna make some cinnamon rolls.
Mama.
You just lay it flat, right? Cinnamon roll going in the oven. I'm going to be making something known as carnivore crack, which is butter that's melted and frozen. Give that a try. First, I'm going to brown the butter. Gotta make sure I don't burn it though. Just a nice brown. Gonna get it to a nice golden brown. Hey, bud. That's busy right now. I think it's almost ready. I'm gonna pour it over to the pan right here. Here it is. And I'll leave it in the freezer for it to harden up. Bao bao, Hama. You see? You see the bao bao being made? Bao bao. Bao bao. It's gonna be really good.
Literally 30 minutes ago, I Googled fish source, and I saw this was literally 2 minutes.
Is it good, Spence? Cinnamon roll? Is it good? Yeah?
State 48. If you are new around here, stop doing it right. You messed it up.
I can't get in touch with the service advisor. He's either out of lunch or not at his desk. So I'm gonna drive over to Mercedes now, see what the status is of the part that we're waiting for. Plus we have to pick up a few things from the van. So I'm gonna make that drive over now. So I just stopped in to talk to the service advisor. He told me the main tech that was working on the van, he's out sick today. They did get the part in that they were waiting for, which is good, but seems like today is not going to be likely because the guy's out sick and he's trying to get a hold of him so another tech can get on it, but I guess it's unlikely. So we're here for yet another day, and next now we have to extend our Airbnb if they have an availability. And then hopefully tomorrow we'll get a better idea where we stand and hopefully get the van by tomorrow. All right, so I'm gonna go in the van and I'm gonna pick up a few things. Thermometer for Spencer. He's not feeling well, so I want to make sure his fever is not any higher. And some medicine too. I'm driving back to the Airbnb now. I picked up some stuff from the van. I also messaged the Airbnb host to see if we can extend an extra night. We're supposed to check out tomorrow in the morning. So if the van is complete by sometime tomorrow afternoon, then we'd be good for the day after to check out. But let's see. We're waiting for a response. This is the butter that I was making before. Looks like it's frozen now. Give it a test in a minute. But tonight I'm gonna make a ribeye for dinner. And set up the sous vide for it. So let's get cooking. Today I'm gonna do 132 degrees for 4 hours. All right, let's taste this thing. It's not that hard. It's interesting. Salty. It tastes a little kind of like caramel, maybe because we kind of browned it. Next time I'm gonna do it with butter that's unsalted, so it's not as salty as it is. Give me some pasta for Spencer for tonight. And Rena got some chili from Wendy's. This is the beautiful ribeye steak. Let's cut it open. We were able to extend our Airbnb stay for this unit right here for an extra night. So we hope that the repair is going to be actually done by tomorrow. And we'll be able to kind of move back into the van and check out here in 2 days. If not, then we'll have to look for another place, or at least move to a different unit within this building here, because we checked on Airbnb. I think there's no more availability after tomorrow. All right, I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully we'll get some good news tomorrow. See you later.